How to create custom gel nails with the form. Begin with fitting the form to the natural nail. Apply acid-free primer on the natural nail. Apply a bead of gel on the free edge to create the nail extension. Cure with USB flash cure light for 10 to 15 seconds. Add a coat of gel to build the foundation of the nail. Cure for 30 seconds in the LED cure lamp. Apply a coat of gel to entire nail to add strength. Add more gel in the center to create an apex. Use the detail brush to refine corners as needed. Flip the nail for 3 to 5 seconds for gravity's pull. Flip the nail over and cure for 10 to 15 seconds with LED flash cure light. Complete the whole hand and full cure in the LED lamp for 1 minute. Remove the form and cleanse the nail with alcohol. Reshape the nail with a 150 grit hand file. Buff the nail with a medium sanding band. Remove dust. Apply gel polish as desired. Apply the U-Shine to protect gel polish and create beautiful shiny nails. Thanks for watching. For more information, please visit mongup.com or follow us on Instagram at Mong Up Nails.